how to manage your DataOps process with the Data Productivity Cloud. In this example, we'll show you how to set up a workflow to have one main branch and use new branches as feature branches. Then we'll merge these new branches into the main branch, ready for scheduling. Okay, so what do you need to get started? The prerequisites are you need to have a hub account, a project in your account, and the permissions required to create an environment. Now we'll create a new feature branch called Dev Branch. We'll use this branch to make changes. Then we'll merge these changes into the main branch. Here we can see the list of branches in our project, which in this example is called Collaboration Demo. Currently, the only branch in the project is Main. If we switch to the Environments tab, you can create and manage environments. Here you can see I have created 3 environments: Dev, Test, and Main. Now we will create a new branch for us to create new pipelines that we will later merge into the main branch. First, we'll create this new branch for Dev, branching from Main and using the main environment. This newly created branch will now be listed in your Project's Branches tab. Open your new Dev branch, and all of the existing folders and pipelines from the main branch have been copied over to the new Dev branch, so you can begin working straight away. Now we can start making changes that we want to merge into Main later. I'll create a new folder, a new orchestration pipeline, and a new transformation pipeline to represent some new changes. Now we have some changes that we want to merge. There'll be a notification icon on the Git button in the top right of the screen. Clicking this, you'll see that under the commit selection, you are given the information that there are some uncommitted changes in the branch. Committing these changes will create a local snapshot of the changes, isolated from your remote repository. Type an appropriate commit message describing the nature of the changes, then click Commit. Your changes have now been committed locally. Now, if we want these changes to be available in the remote repository, click the Git button again and choose Push Local Changes. Then click the Push button to push the changes to the remote repository. For our workflow, we want to maintain a single branch, and in this example, that will be the main branch. So now we need to merge our changes into the main branch. To do this, again, click the Git button and select Merge. Here you have the option to choose which branch to merge the changes into. And here we can see the changes are coming from our Dev branch, and we can select for them to be merged into the main branch. After these are selected, any merge conflicts are assessed and presented here. If there are no conflicts, click Merge to merge the changes into the main branch. Your changes are now merged into the remote repository. Your Data Productivity Cloud Designer, which is your personal working directory, is isolated from your remote Git repository. So, for your changes to be reflected on your working directory, first we'll need to swap back to the main branch. Then under the Git menu, select Pull Remote Changes. When the pull is complete, you'll get a notification and your merged pipelines will appear. Once everything is up to date, it's time to make our new changes available for scheduling. Under the Git menu, select Push Local Changes. On the next screen, there'll be a Publish Pipelines option. Selecting this will make our new pipelines available for scheduling. Select the environment to publish the changes to, in this case the main environment. Then click the Push and Publish button. Now we can see the push has been successful with our local commits published to the remote branch. Now all of our pipelines created in the Dev branch are pushed to the main branch and are available for scheduling. Please subscribe to keep up to date with the latest Data Productivity Cloud videos. And for more information on everything covered in this video, please visit the Matillion documentation site.